Vaski Group is very fast-growing company located in Finland, and we are specialized for sheet metal fabrication. And we have three main brands. It's a Pivatic, which we do here in Hyvinkää. Then we have a Vaski brand, which manufactured in Seinäjoki, and then Ursviken in Skellefteå. Today we are here at Pivatic. We do different applications. We call it the Piva Punch, which is the punching application, and Piva Bend, which is the bending. And then we create the lines which are the systems, call it Piva system. We use the visual components actually in three important areas. One is the sales, where we can show the customers the bigger lines and evidence how we can reach the cycle times for the parts, the bottleneck analysis and the material flow, how it goes in the bigger lines where might be 6-8 parts same time. Second important thing is the software verification. We use that to test the software with digital twin so that we can shorten the commissioning time. When the machine is in commission stage, we have already tested software, and then we have already passed the first stage.
We are doing that using hardware in the loop, where we have the models, the visual components, and from the model we bring the inputs of the system through the OPC UA interface to our control system, real hardware for testing purposes. And in the hardware we run the real software of the machine, production machine, and then we bring back the outputs of the control system through the OPC UA interface back to the visual components. Before we use the visual components to verify the software, we used the real machinery, and the problem was that we need to wait for the installations to be completed. And with the real machinery, the testing is really slow. Now when we are using the visual components software, we can do the software testing before the installation is finished, so the software is practically ready.
And third thing is the troubleshooting optimization when the line is already supplied to customer. When we have lines on site and customer production volumes increase and they are the limit and they want to speed up the line, then we can do similar iterations the existing lines, which means that we maybe improve the 10 or 20% of the cycles, improving the software. We use the visual components to iterate the optimal configuration. That's the great help to sell to after sales. There, the visual components are a really important tool. We are expanding that for the other companies to Vaski and Ursviken. So in the future, we expect that all our group companies can benefit all these three important topics.